Hey, my friend Daniel here. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we're diving into MyEcon and specifically how simple and easy it is to start building and growing your MyEcon business. And in this video, if you watch it all the way till the end, I'm going to walk you through everything that you get and what you can start doing literally today to start sharing your MyEcon sales funnels and even making sales. This is why our team is the fastest and largest growing team inside of MyEcon, and how we have so many people ranking up every single week following this same exact process that I'm about to share with you guys right now. So if you're new to the channel, please do me a favor, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. And if you have any questions for me, I'm going to leave my phone number here right at the top of this video. I am a CEO Infinity with MyEcon and been with them for many, many years. So don't hesitate to reach out and ask me anything. So with your MyEcon business, obviously you have the business on the back end here, which has all of the great products and services to help you save and make more money. Now, the question is, how do you market MyEcon? What are the things that you do to share this? Because the products are great. The services actually help you out. They actually help you increase your pay. They help you repair your credit. There's a great travel site in there. And there's so many other, excuse me, there's so many other things that you could do. Little tickle in my throat there. There's so many things that you could do to utilize the products. But the question is, how do you promote the business? How are, we as our team sharing the business, getting more members to join? How are we growing every single day and promoting? What is it that we're actually doing? Well, in this video, I'm going to walk you through that. Okay. So first off, when you get started with us, and there's more information down below, I have a full walkthrough of our entire system. I'm just going to give you a little bit of a snapshot of it, and really one specific thing that we offer that a lot of teams don't offer. This is kind of like a, call it a secret weapon if you want, but this is what our team members are doing. And this is what creates the duplication. This is what right here allows the average person to get started and use something that is documented, proven, and effective. So we have a team training site, and you can see it there right on your screen. And inside the team training site is all of your training, but more specifically, what comes with the team training site is everything you need. And I've done so many other videos on this, and link in the description down below if you want to see a full overview where I break down what are the things that you actually get with the system, each individual thing. You can see that more information down below. Now, obviously you have all of your sales funnels are done for you. We do all the email marketing for you. We give you an app so you can run your entire business from an app on your phone. So everything that you're seeing on the desktop version here, you also have that in an app. So as an example, if you're going to get out there and you're going to start marketing your MyEcon business, instead of just sending people to the standard pre-done for you company page, and any business out there, whether it be in affiliate marketing or network marketing or even digital marketing, businesses and opportunities out there, they all have their kind of pre-done for you, company pages, and they're kind of boring. They don't really sell the business all that well. So we've created several. We actually have 4 different sales funnels right now that you could use. So as an example here, I'll show you one here. This is our capture page right here. So you got the headlines, the subheadlines. It records your information down below. That's your capture page. Again, just one of the 4 that we use. You got the sales page right here. Very simple, very easy, guys. You got to remember, like, simple always wins. But again, we've built out all of this stuff for you. We've built out the sales funnels, the sales pages, the capture pages. We've done all that. You don't need to buy any page builders. You don't need to buy any autoresponders. You don't need to buy anything else after you join your MyEcon business. That's it. Like, there's no upsells. There's no gotchas. You don't have to pay for advertising. You don't have to pay for traffic or any of those sort of things. We teach you and show you how to do all this stuff for free once you get access. And our system, the system that I was literally just sharing with you over here, is literally free with your MyEcon business. It's well over $10,000 in free value for joining our team. But the real question is for you is, okay, I get it. You have all that stuff, but like, what are we doing? What are we actually doing? How does it work? Well, in order to have people see your MyEcon sales funnel, you have to share that. You have to get your link out there into the world of social media. And yes, my friend, yes, you could do this without pitching to friends and family. Yes, you can do this without sharing to your own timeline if you don't want your friends and family to see what you're doing. And we have several people on our team that want to do that. They want to start new social accounts, which is fine. And we'll help you do that because down inside of here, inside of start promoting, we actually show you right here where it says getting ready for the process. We actually show you how to create new accounts if that's what you want to do. So whether it's on Instagram or Facebook or TikTok or wherever, we show you how to do that so you can start promoting on your own. And yes, even if you are starting from scratch, meaning you have 0 followers, you could still do this. So stop using that as an excuse. Stop using, I don't have a lot of friends and family. I don't have a lot of followers. Stop using that as a crutch that you constantly lean on and use that as an excuse, because you have to remember this. Everyone starts at 0, including myself. But it's up to you if you want to stay there. If you want to validate and that you're right, great. Congratulations. Good. You're at 0. Good for you. Or you could just go do the damn work and get it done and build and grow. So what do you want to do? Do you want to stay stuck? You want to stay complaining? You want to stay still? Or do you want to build and grow? If you want to build and grow, keep watching. If you want to stay stuck and you want to bitch and moan and complain every day, just exit off the video and go watch something else. But in this video, I'm showing you exactly what you could be doing if you wanted it bad enough. Okay. Now, so inside of here, first off, you'll go here, you'll download the app. You're going to set up your links. It says right up here, setting up your domain and links. That's where we help you set up your sales funnel. Okay. And again, remember, we give you the sales funnel for free just for activating your MyEcon business. But most importantly, start promoting. This is really where the magic happens. This is where, maybe 30 to 60 minutes from right now of watching this video, you could be sharing your first piece of content online. You could be actively promoting your MyEcon business and know exactly what to promote, where to promote, how to promote, all of those things. You could literally start doing that like today, right now, versus coming up with all the reasons as to why you can't. Maybe think about what could happen if you did it. You might make a sale. You might generate a lead. It might actually start working for you, or you can keep creating excuses. Totally up to you. Okay. But in here is where you actually start promoting. Okay. But I want to circle it all the way back to what is the actual thing that helps our team duplicate, helps our team build and grow, helps you, the person watching, the person that's getting started, get going. And it all circles back to the content that we give our team. And you can access all of it, literally all of it, thousands of pieces of content that we have right here in something called the Vault. So it means for you, when you get started with our team, the start promoting is where we show you what you're going to go do. Okay. We show you how to set up your accounts. We show you how to get everything set up, and we show you how to start promoting. But the where and the kind of the secret weapon, like I mentioned earlier, of what it is that you actually go do and where do you get the information to start promoting, it's all right here in the Vault. So I'll even open this up for you. I'll even show you inside of our Vault, and you can see right here. Okay. I mean, we have all the training literally that you're ever going to need right here. Okay. So we have engagement posts. These are posts that you could be using out there on social, and I'll open that up here for a minute. There's a couple more folders in here. You have credit repair information. You have business information. Now I'm going to keep these closed because, just this is proprietary to our team. But if I were to open this up, you would see probably 100 examples of engagement posts that you could use out there in Facebook. Same thing for the credit repair. Okay. And then you have multiple different video folders. So we have faceless, we have non-speaking, speaking, and testimonials. Yes, we even have testimonial reels that you could just grab and use. And people that are using our system, you could grab these and just use these, upload these, and use them as your own. What's also really cool too is if you're a little more of an introvert, we have these faceless videos, and we just have folders and folders and folders. I mean, just look at this, folders and folders of content that you could use, whether it be a masculine vibe, a feminine vibe. You could just open this up here and you could just see we just have tons and tons of content. All of these folders just open up tons and tons of content that are all ready for you to use. So as an example, grab and go. These are all grab and go videos that are already edited for you, already have the words on the screen. You don't have to do any editing yourself. And in our training, okay, in the start promoting training right here, we're going to show you how to use everything that's in the vault. We show you how to go in there, grab the videos, upload them to your phone, share them out to social. Okay, so we show you that here in this section. Let's just call it what it is. You're not going to get this level of training inside of your MyEcon members area. You're just not. And I mean, I love MyEcon. I love the business, love the products, love the compensation, love everything about them. But you just don't get this level of training inside of their members area. And it's the same. And I'm not just talking about MyEcon here. This is literally any business that you join. I've never seen a system that is so detailed as ours is. And we get this feedback every day. And I've shared this feedback and shared those testimonials with you in several other videos. Okay. So once you're in the vault, I mean, you have all of these things. So if you don't want to be on camera, you have this whole faceless vibe that you could go with and start promoting. And yes, we have people getting results doing the faceless thing. So if you are more of an introvert, you don't want to be on camera, you don't really want to put yourself out there all that much, you could be using these videos here. And it's, again, it's all done for you. You just have to grab the content and go use it. Now, if you are okay with getting out there and putting yourself on camera, we have a whole non-speaking vibe right here. We have literally dozens and dozens and dozens, maybe 100 non-speaking videos where people are on camera and they're pointing on screen and they have music playing and whatever. You could just go clone and copy and make your own version of those. Same thing with the speaking. We just have so many different examples here of speaking, just dozens and dozens and dozens of videos that you guys could be using inside of our vault. All you have to do is just take that and make your own version of it. So you have multiple different examples here. You could clone what already works, like all the videos that we dropped in there in the non-speaking and in the speaking folders. All of those videos have gone viral, meaning they're getting thousands and thousands of views. So they're proven to work. So you can't really debate if it's going to work. It's just when it's going to work. You just got to go do it, right? And then in the faceless, if you don't want to put yourself on video, we have all the faceless stuff. We have plenty of B-roll, so you could make your own videos with the B-roll that we have. And then we have plenty of grab and go videos. So this is why our team is successful right here. It's all because of the vault and it's all because of the training. Now, one last thing, which is kind of the cherry on top. You see all of these documents down here. Okay. We have multiple different documents to help you with setting up your domains, with captions, with how to use, look at this, even documents on how to use the faceless content, how to use hashtags, short form video formulas, ATM methods that we have, which is one of our other Facebook groups where you can invite people to our results Facebook group, where we have a Facebook group and it's just all results, income examples, lead generating examples, closing sale examples, all of those things. We show you how to use that Facebook group. This document right here, what to say to a lead. When you send someone through your capture page and they generate a lead, boom, right here, we show you how to follow up with them. So literally, guys, everything that you could possibly need to promote your MyEcon business, how to use your MyEcon business, how to follow up with leads, how to get the content out there, what to do with the content once it's out there, how to follow up with comments, all of those things is all right here in what's called our vault. And that is all right here inside of our team training site. And it's all yours. And by the way, it's also available in an app on your phone. And by the way, when you send someone to one of your capture pages, like the one that you see here, and someone opts into your funnel, you're going to get a cha-ching notification right on your phone. You're going to get notified in real time when you generate a lead, and you can follow up with that lead directly through your app. You could text, email, call your lead right from the app. This is why our team is winning, because of the system that we have put together, because of the information. We make it so simple, straightforward, and easy for you to start promoting your MyEcon business. And that is really as simple as it gets. So if you want to know and understand what it is that you actually do, how you start promoting, like I said, the products and services and compensation is all great, but the real question is like, what do you actually do? Now, it's right there. We literally give it to you and we show you exactly how to use it and what to do with it. So we try to make it as simple and easy for the average brand newest person that's never done this sort of thing before, that's never found success, that's maybe tried and failed. This is your system right here. It's well over $10,000 in free value that you get just for activating your MyEcon business. And we can't make it any more simple than that. And you can activate your MyEcon business for less than $100. And you get over $10,000 in free value. If you were to go create all of this on your own from experience and being the guy that created it all, it would cost you thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars and hundreds of hours of your time to create all this. And you would probably spend the first 6 months to a year trying and failing, learning how to figure it all out. It's not an easy process, but after doing this for so many years, we have it down pretty good. Okay. And we know what we're doing. All right. So let's just call it what it is. So there you go, my friend. I just wanted to show you really the secret weapon that builds and grows our team. It's a wealth of information. Again, thousands of dollars in free value just for activating your MyEcon business. So if you have any questions for me, again, I left my phone number right at the top of this video. So I hope you have some better ideas now on how you could be building and growing your MyEcon business and exactly what you're going to be doing. If you want my full overview of our team system, link in the description down below. If you're ready to get started and activate your MyEcon business, link in the description down below. And of course, any questions, pop a comment down below or send me a text message. Thank you so much for watching, my friend. If you made it to this point in the video and you are not subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button and also drop a comment. I appreciate you, and I will see you, my friend, on the next one. Take care.